Hi Anna, this is just a short little video to illustrate how one measures the height of any object after mapped. I'm using the Little Lane site that you're familiar with there in Carson City. So this is an elevation model. People call them heat maps because of the color. And over here on the left, it shows the scale. The range of elevations is from a half a foot up to 36 feet. And I can use a tool over here on the left that is a linear distance. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and drag a cross section over the trees that are here, as well as one of the buildings that's being constructed. And then we can see over here that those trees are about 50 feet, 51.9 above the ground, above the blue areas. The building, we can even see its cross-sectional shape there. That roof is 37.9 above the blue area around it. So that's how it works. And hopefully that'll be helpful to you to understand how we might measure the tree heights for your Tahoe job.